it's just you and me. Bonnie and Clyde, yeah, we're so young and so free. Now we getting wild, yeah, they gon' talk about me, 'cause you are mine, so you better let me know.
I come upstairs, and this dude, what do you think you're doing? Huh? What are you doing?
Get out of my spot.
I'm being kicked out of my own bed!
Mr.
Ow!
Mister, get out of my spot.
That's my pillow. That's my pillow. Ma'am.
Spout all the nonsense you wish. The princess.
At the light, use the left 2 lanes to turn on Ernest and Ferry turning northwest. We're going to IKEA. Okay.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be.
It's IKEA. Oh, that was fast. Oh my gosh, I've never been to IKEA before.
Enter.
Oh. Sorry, I'm trying to. I've never been here. I like this one. We're trying to get a new bed frame. It comes with keys on the side and then storage on the bottom. And then a space for my class. Right? Where's my hand? Right here? And right here. Oh, you see a bigger one? This one has storage? It does have storage. You've got nightstands, bed frame. I'm awkward. I'm awkwardly just awkward. I can't flip the camera.
I like the color.
I like this one. And then I like this sink right here.
Seats down, aren't we?
Probably. We just bought a headboard.
These don't lose the receipt.
No, I was trying to show them without too much info. Hello?
Hi.
I made him wait. Look at this tree. Also, he's got an extra large bowl, and mine is a medium. Maybe I should have got one of those. Did you eat it yet?
No.
Yeah, we took a fat 2-hour nap. Fat 2-hour nap. And we played, what did we play? Animal Crossing.